What's up guys, it's a Filmmaker here. Today we'll be talking about the WEC-S Kit2 microphone from Godox. I have reviewed the Godox WEC Kit2, so if you haven't seen that video, you can check the link in the description below. Now before we get to talk about this microphone, Godox did not send me this microphone. This was sent by a third-party company, and even though I get to keep this mic, I should say that money did not change hands, did not even have a say in the making of this video, and also did not see it before it is made available on YouTube. Now that that's out of the way, the Godox WEC-S is made specially for Sony camera users. It is a dual-channel 2.4 GHz wireless portable system with mono and stereo modes, and also features dynamic noise reduction. You can buy the Kit 1, which comes just with a transmitter and a receiver, or the Kit 2, where you get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. In this box, you'd find a black, nicely padded carry case with instruction manuals, USB-A to C cable, TRS to TRS cable, TRS to TRRS cables, wind filters, and obviously 2 transmitters and the receiver. Now, for build quality, as this is a budget kit, the transmitters and receiver are made of plastic and feel very lightweight. I wished Godox had at the time used the same build quality as the Magic X-T1 that looks and feel more premium, although I'm aware that the X-T1 was released after the launch of the WEC series. Each transmitter weighs 12.3 grams from my test. When I attached the wind filter, I got 14.3 grams, while the receiver alone weighs just 19.4 grams. The transmitters and the receiver automatically pay when you remove them from the charging case, so you can start recording straight away without the need of having to pair them manually. I'm currently recording with the transmitter, and I also have the Sennheiser MK416, which is just above my head. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. Both transmitters in the WEC Kit2 have a power on and off button, and also a noise reduction and pairing button. When this orange button is pressed, the green light on the transmitter changes to orange to indicate that noise reduction has been activated. At this point, I would have to advise you to be careful when handling the transmitter, that you do not accidentally press the orange button if you did not intend to use noise reduction, especially when installing the wind filters. Another point to notice that if you are recording with one transmitter as I am doing here, make sure that the other one is turned off, so you can see the other one is turned off, so you don't pick up unwanted noise. So you can just press and hold the power button in the transmitter, not in use for a few seconds, and it shuts down if you didn't want to have it in its case. The transmitter only features a clip and not magnet, which I think is a con. As you would imagine with the kind of shirt I'm wearing, you'd want the microphone to be about mid-chest. So with a clip, it's difficult to position the transmitter the right way. You can see how high up to my neck the transmitter is. There's also a USB-C port for charging and gold point if needed to charge it in the case. While on the receiver, which is the selling point of this product, it features a unique protective locking system. On one side is a 3.5mm audio output port for use with earphones to monitor or connect to your camera if you do not have a Sony camera. There's also a power button, a volume up and down, that also doubles as a mode switch and pairing button. On the other hand, you would have a USB-C port for charging outside the case or connecting it to your computer or mobile device. There's also the power on and off switch for the receiver's microphone, and lastly, the digital analog switch if the Sony camera you have is an older Sony camera like the NX series. When you plug in the receiver onto your Sony camera, the indicator light should automatically come on, eliminating the need for using the built-in battery. So a green light comes on to indicate that the receiver is connected via the hot shoe of your camera. Usually when paired at first instance, both transmitter and receiver should be in mono mode, where one transmitter will transmit only to one track, that's either the left or right track. To switch into stereo mode, all you need to do is press and hold for a few seconds the M button until the light on the receiver changes from green to blue. In that stereo mode, the transmitter transmits to both the left or right tracks. And before I forget, the receiver supports UAC, which is short for Universal Audio Class, where you can easily connect the receiver to your computer, tablet, or mobile phone via USB-C and be able to hop on those Zoom or internet calls or stream without any stress. As usual, let's go outside for a test. Alright, so now we're outside, we're outdoors in the park. I have 2 microphones on me. I have the Godox Magic X-T1 and I have the Godox WEC-S Kit 2 wireless microphone. I'm going to be walking about 200 steps, which should be about 200 meters or 200 yards, depending on where you live and how you measure distance. Let's see if it disconnects or if it doesn't disconnect. I'll turn around to walk. So before I turn around, I'm recording the audio from the XT1 to my iPhone 15, which is just a little bit behind my Sony camera. So this is it. I'm going to turn around and walk about 200. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's about 20 meters. I should have clear line of sight. I'm not backing the camera, so you should get my audio feed. So the birds, the people playing in the park. I'm going to quickly turn on noise reduction. Let's see if it reduces it, and then walk another 20 meters. So noise reduction is activated on the XT1, and it should be also activated on the WEC-S kit. Does that make a difference? There's a girl shouting to my left. I turn around and walk another 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, this is about 40 meters. I'm going to walk another 60 meters. Let's see while facing the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20, 40, and 40. That's 80 plus 40. So I have both noise reduction on both microphones turned over. I hope you can still hear me loud and clear. And I'm not disconnected from the camera. I feel so far. I hope nobody steals my camera. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I've lost count. So I believe now I'm over 140, 120. I've lost count. I'm going to run back to the camera. Hopefully there was connection at this point. If there's still connection at this point, man, these microphones are doing well. So I'm going to run back to the camera and check if there are any noise while running. Let's see. I don't need to be talking at this point, but I'll just talk, but just for the sake of it. So running back to the camera, so you guys hear. Is there any noise while running? I don't know. So that's it for the end of this outdoor test. What do you guys think about the WEC-S Kit 2 compared to the Magic XT1? I'm already breathing heavily. What do you guys think? Which mic sounds the best? Mic test 1 to 3. Mic test 1 to 3. So I'm recording on the iPhone 15 Pro. I have it weirdly rigged to the Sony a7 IV. I have the receiver of the Godox WEC-S Kit 2 microphone. So this is the receiver. So I'm speaking through it. You can see the transmitter 1 and transmitter 2 are both blinking, meaning I have the transmitters off. There's nothing on me, just the receiver on the camera. Now I forgot to bring my wind filter, so apologies if there's lots of wind hitting the microphone. So I'm also recording on the Sony camera, so that's it in focus. And to my path, I'm going to try to aim the iPhone 15 Pro wide enough so you can see me while I'm walking and talking. So this is me speaking through the receiver of the Godox WEC-S microphone. What do you think? Mic test 1 to 3. Mic test 1 to 3. I'm going to turn around. Mic test 1 to 3. Mic test 1 to 3. What do you think? It's quite windy. You probably will hear the birds or the leaves moving in the wind. So what do you guys think about this microphone? You can see behind me, and this is in front of me. What do you guys think about the microphone? I'm going to turn around. I'm about a foot away from the receiver's mic. What do you guys think? Mic test 1 to 3. Mic test 1 to 3. So let's head back to the studio. Alright, see ya, bye. The charge case is very small to fit into my pocket, and it has indicator lights to show the charge level of the case. As usual, you're able to charge the transmitters and the receiver inside of the case. If the case was run out of battery, you will easily charge the case via the USB-C port at the back here. The case has a reset button, which I still have no idea why, and its manual says nothing about when to use it. Godox promises 8 hours of use with each transmitter, and with the case you should be getting at least 21 hours of use. I like this kit because I do not have to worry about having to carry an aux cable around. It makes shooting way easy. I could count the number of times I have forgotten my aux cable. Now I would like Godox to release a Sony version for the XT1 just because it has magnets for its transmitters. It's also cool that there's a third microphone at the back of the receiver, so I can be speaking through it while shooting. I could use it while I'm interviewing someone, and the microphone at the back could just pick up my questions. Lastly, I do wish there's an updated version with magnet and an onboard recording. Godox has stated that the receiver's hot shoot is not compatible with the Sony ZV1-F camera. So that's it for this one. Remember, you can purchase the WEC-S kit using any of the links in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your Filmmaker. Peace.